exercise 4.3 and question number 2. We have given a solution of equation and we have to find two lines. Give the equations of two lines passing through 214. We have a point 214 and we have to give the equations of two lines. 214, 2 first mean it is x, and then 14 means it is y. So if x plus y, then what will be there? 2 plus 14. 2 plus 14 is 16. So x plus y is equal to 16 is the first equation. If I put here x 2 and y 14, then I will get 16. So it is first equation whose solution is 2 and 14. Yes, we can also write x minus y minus 12, because when put x 2 y 14, then I got minus 12. So 2 and 14 is the solution of this equation. You can check. And in similar way you can write anything. You got here first equation, second, but आपको और clear हो जाए तो मैं एक और equation लिख रही हूँ. I can write 3x plus y. So 3x plus y रफ में कैलकुलेट करके देख लीजिए. 3 into 2 plus 14, 6 plus 14, 20. So I can write 3x plus y is equal to 20. This is the third equation, because by putting x 2 here, 2 3 ja 6, y 14. So I got here 20. So 2 and 14 is also the solution of this. Solution एक है, equations many. In this way you can find minus x plus y, minus 2 plus 14 plus 12. This is also the solution of this equation. हमें सिर्फ दो इक्वेशन पूछी थी. Give the equations of two lines passing through 2 and 14. Two lines की ही पूछी थी, but मैंने 4 निकाल दी. In this way we can find many equations. Write any algebraical expression और माइंड में कैलकुलेट कर दीजिए कि x2 और y14 पुट करने पे राइट हैंड साइड में क्या आएगा. Then you will get the equation. How many such lines are there? Infinite. How many such lines are there? Infinite. Now third part. And why? Why infinite lines are there? यहाँ तो एक ही पॉइंट था 2 and 14. X, Y एक ही पॉइंट है. So infinite line. Suppose I am having this plane here. This blackboard is a plane, and in this plane I have one point, and I am saying that infinite line can be there. Why? Because you know that आप एक पॉइंट में से ये आपने एक लाइन ड्रॉ करी, then second line, then third line, then fourth line. In this way you can draw infinite many line through a point. यहाँ हमारे पास एक पॉइंट था 2 14. Suppose it was x here 2 and y 14. So I can draw infinite line through a single point. 2 14 एक सॉल्यूशन था. पहले हमने infinite line करी, equations निकाली. Then third and why we can have infinite? Because you know that through a point we can draw the infinite lines. Now question number 3 you will find in next video.